you've reached Marshy Morgan. I'm here in the background, and I wanted to show you Sellr and how to create a blog post. Now, Sellr is an e-commerce site that allows you to create your own e-commerce site, and it has blogs on there. And I was needing to know how to do that today because I haven't done it in a while. And I thought, you know what? I can't be the only one, so I'm going to make this little video for you because my channel is all about tips and tricks and how to better our lives and save time. So here we go. Managing your blog. So what you do on the left-hand side is you scroll down to online store. So under the online store, okay, we are going to look for manage your blog. These are the two articles that were pre-written on Sellr. And I want to use their template. I just need to modify it to make it my own. So what we're going to do is we're going to view test rocks, garden rocks, and pebbles. So you see here, here's the blog post, right? And here is the article. Okay, you can see it. Now, I've got a green thumb, but I don't have that green of a thumb, and that's not what my business is about. So I need to change the article. So we viewed it by coming here. We're going to edit it by going to the pencil. By going to the pencil, I can say purple. Okay, I'm going to just say purple. And then down here at the bottom in the text, we're going to say purple. So you can see that you can modify it. You can add topics. You can put this on Twitter or Facebook. You can do a publish date, and you can make it hidden or visible. So if I click hidden and I say save, okay, we're doing the pebble rocks, and I go over here to view because I want to see what it's going to look like on my website. It says page not found. It's not there because I've hidden it. So what we do is we go back over here to the pencil, and then I scroll down, okay, and I'm going to add for it to be visible. Now you may be saying, well, why would I hide it? Well, let's say you get interrupted in the middle of writing your article and you're not ready to post it yet, because Sellr, once you save it, it goes live. You know, it's instantaneous. So you may not want it showing yet, or maybe you're writing an article a week in advance. So let's view it again and see if it's there. Sure enough, the article is there. Now, I like this template because it has a picture. You can add pictures inside your article too. But to change your picture, you go to edit, and you can go to this image picker. The image picker, and this may not work because it's really slow because I've got all these other programs going. So here's my image, fly like an eagle today, right? And I'm going, want to get out, and I can say, well, that's not good. Anyway, you can add a URL for a picture and put it in your article, and you can determine its size. So I just wanted to point that out, that they have a photo library for you to use, but I'm not going to go through the whole process with you, but it's under here under image picker. Now, the next thing I want to show you is this image right here. Now what this image is that top corner. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to make it something else. So now it's choosing a file that's on my website. So I'm just going to pick this butterfly, okay? And I'm going to say, all right, and I'm going to say, choose the file. Oh, well, anyway. Click here to upload. You have to click upload or the picture won't go. All right, so there it is. It's showing you I wrote the tag. I have to save it, and then I close it. So then when I go back to view, if you remember, it was green, a green heart. But when we scroll down, it's now this new image. So this is the image for here. But if you want an image inside your article, you're going to use the image picker. I hope that was helpful. If I brought any value to you whatsoever, if you use Sellr, please subscribe or like. And I'm really working on getting to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much and be blessed.